So you want to rank higher on Google, your Google GMB profile, your Google My Business profile. You want to get past all the spammy stuff, all the crazy people on there, all the hacks. So now what we're going to do is, the true fact is, 100% true fact is that having more reviews gets you higher on Google, gets you in a higher position, get you more phone calls, put you up towards the top. Now listen, it's very simple. It's legit. Okay, we just simply swap reviews. I give you a review, you give me a review. I can give you a couple of reviews, you can give me a couple of reviews. Anybody in any business, we can do this. Let's do this instead. Stop paying all these crazy companies a bunch of money that doesn't work. Let's do this. Let's get on this. Very simple. We send you the link, you send us your link, we swap the reviews, and we start ranking higher on Google real quick. Now, I'm only going to do this for people that are legit and that I can tell on their profile. So let's get this done, guys. Let's get up on top of the list and let's start making money. If you want to start making money, this is the real way to make money. Okay, let's do this. Simple. Email me, powerwashtv@gmail.com. powerwashtv@gmail.com, or you can call me, or we just can simply put your information below. We can swap the information, and I can put on there what you want to be said on yours. I can give you the information I want to be said on mine, and we can put the keywords in there so it actually helps rank even higher. So are you ready? Stop paying everybody so you can get to the top of Google, and you never get there. If you get the more reviews you get, the higher you're going to rank, the more phone calls you're going to get, the better you're going to get found. It's that simple. Let's do this. Let's do this, guys. Let's go.